Hi friends, wonderful morning to all. This is Mahalakshmi from 9th standard. Today we are going to learn about human skeleton. What are human skeletons called? The adult human skeletons usually contains of 206 named bones. These bones can be grouped in two divisions, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. What are the main parts of human skeleton? Basidius bone. The skeletal system includes cartilage and ligaments. The skeleton is traditionally divided into two major parts. The axial skeleton, which includes the skull, spine and rib cage, and the appendicular skeleton, which includes the appendages and the ogives that attach them to the axial skeleton. Are there 213 bones in the human body? There are typically around 270 bones in human infants, which fuse to become 206 to 213 bones in the human adult. The reason for the variability in the number of bones is because some humans may have a varying number of ribs, vertebrae, and digits. The human skeleton performs 6 major functions. 1. Support. 2. Movement. 3. Protection. 4. Protection of blood cells. 5. Storage of minerals and endocrine regulation. The 5 main functions of skeletal system. 1. Shape. The shape of the skeletal system helps to define the body's potential. 2. Support. The skeleton is the framework of the body. It supports the softer tissues and provides points to attachment for most skeletal muscles. 3. Protection. The skeleton provides mechanical protection for many of the body's internal organs, reducing risk of injury to them. For example, cranial bones protect the brain, vertebrae protect the spinal cord, and the rib cage protects the heart and lungs. 4. Movement. Skeletal muscles are attached to bones. Therefore, when the associated muscles contract, they cause bones to move. 5. Blood cell protection. The red bone marrow inside some larger bones, including, for example, the blood cells, are produced. Components of the skeletal system. The skeletal system is composed of 4 main fibrous and mineralized conductive tissues. 1. Bones. 2. Ligaments. 3. Tendons. 4. Joints. Bone, a rich form of conductive tissues that is the part of the skeletal system of vertebrates and is composed principally of calcium. What is endoskeleton and exoskeleton? An exoskeleton is a hard external skeleton that provides the outer surface of an organism and enables movement through muscles attached on the inside. An endoskeleton is an internal skeleton composed of hard mineralized tissue that also enables movement by attachment to muscles. Friends, today we have learned about human skeleton. Thank you. Have a nice day.